Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to create a pre-decorated product for an InkSoft web store. And this is going to be business cards, and this is going to have personalization lines that are going to be required to move the job forward. So the first thing that we did here is I opened up the business card template, and I just made sure to have it say name, title, and X's for the cell phone, as well as just a generic name on the email address. And so I've already created what I want to be the SKU for these business cards. So I have the SKU with side 1 and side 2. So now what we're going to do is we're going to export these as a JPEG and a PDF. And I'm going to put this into the Webstore InkSoft folder. And we're just going to go ahead and create a new folder for this particular SKU. And go ahead and export it. Okay, so in InkSoft, scooch that up. We're going to create a new pre-decorated product. So I've already named this the way that I would like it to be named, as well as filled out my SKU information and put in a brief description. So now we're going to hit save. Okay, size we're going to do 3.5 by 2. Weight, we'll just do 60 ounces. We're going to set it to active. In the store, we're going to select which store these are going to be for. Now we're going to turn on custom personalization, and this is where the customer is going to have to enter this information. So the first one is just going to be name. Enter name. And we're going to make sure that these are all set to 0 and required. So 2 is going to be title. 3 is going to be cell phone number. Lastly, email address. Processing time. Go ahead and do 14. Actually, we'll keep that 10. Keep that our standard. Alright, so now we're going to come over here to colors and images, and for the color name we're going to say quantity 250, and here's where we're going to upload the artwork. So now we're going to go to the InkSoft store folder and find the SKU that we're looking for. So there's the front, upload the back. We're just going to make sure that the back is selected here on available sides. And now, if we were offering multiple quantities to the customer, you could go ahead and add new colors, and you could just go ahead and update the color name to the corresponding quantity, and that could be adjusted in the pricing tab. So now we're going to come over here, and this is where you would see the different quantities if we were offering multiple quantities. So in this case, we're just going to punch in the price. That's it. So now we're going to save it. And we're going to tab over to our InkSoft store here, and you can see that it's populated. And so what we'll do is we'll create a new component. Drop those in. Now just to show you what it looks like from the customer's end. So if we were to click on this business card here, you can see your front and your back, quantity of 250, and now they're required to put in the information that we need to complete the cards. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.